Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can know your wallet on Telegram. So make sure you have your Telegram app on your device and your account logged in. Now open Telegram and over here in the search bar, search for wallet. And you can see this interface of wallet bot and click on start. Once you do that, over here click on open wallet. Now it will show you your wallet and from here you can see various options. Over here you can send money, add crypto, exchange, P2P market and many more. This way you can know your wallet on Telegram. This much for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.